We drew a few good cards right out of the gate, and kind of coming down to the end here to see what happens, but always feel good about your hand, and you just never know what's out there.
This weekend here is the biggest weekend on the Ozarks that I'm aware of. All the big boats come out, fast boats, and man, it's an awesome time out here. We love it. We come all the way from Texas, and we love it.
I touch the mic, I bring the hype, and I don't want to hear no excuses. Made way too many of them in my life. Like, how could it tell me no?
All right, so the poker run is basically a pub crawl on water. Right on.
With vision, changing gears, I'm switching positions. Said it clear, but they wouldn't listen. Nah. I'm coming for it all. I'm coming for it all. We're coming for it all. We're coming for it all. I'm coming for it all. I'm coming for it. I'm coming for it all. We're coming for it all. We're coming for it. We're coming for it all. We're coming for it. I don't fail to plan, I don't plan to fail. Gonna get rich by a yacht on sale. Can't move like me, the man of snail. I'm prime, you man are like drunk emails. Did you get that? Not afraid to take no setbacks.
There's almost 200 boats in the poker run this year, so quite an event. There's 13 stops. We'll probably hit 5, and then we're going to end up at the MTI Island tonight at 3. This weekend is about fast boats, fast women, and good times, and raising a lot of money for the local community. We're damn proud to be part of it.
I'm coming for it all. I'm coming for it. I'm coming for it all. We're coming for it all. We're coming for it. We're coming for it all. We're coming for it. They claim that they wouldn't listen. I told them. They claim that they wouldn't listen. I told them. They claim that they wouldn't listen. I'm coming for it all. I'm coming for it all. We're coming for it all. We're coming for it all. I'm coming for it all. I'm coming for it. I'm coming for it all. We're coming for it.
It's amazing how much money this brings in, and it's a great cause. We're just happy to be out here, and we appreciate it.
Smiles on our face won't be wiped off for a week, I'm telling you that.
So we're at the Red Fox in the poker run down here at the Lake of the Ozarks, and we're in the infectious boat. It's green boat, and we're here to have a good time, and we're out of St. Louis, Missouri.
Something about running with all the boats, it just can't beat it. Can't beat it.
Charity event, so no matter if we're looking at our cards or not, it's for a good cause.
Hit the next couple stops and collect the cards, look at the cards, you know. Maybe we'll get a good hand, but end of the day, you know, as long as we're supporting and having a good time, that's really what it's all about for us. Some guys, you know, they like to play the cards, they like to get a good hand, but, you know, we're here for a good time.
MTI on top.
Hell yeah. so many fast boats, so many cool people. Just a great time.
Hey guys, I am with Mike Mawson, owner of Poly Lift Boat Lifts. You guys do so much to support the shootout, and you were just telling me a little bit about how cool this event is. So tell us a little bit about what all you do and what the event means to you.
This event to my family, our family business, Poly Lift Boat Lifts, means so much. We're second generation, our boys are third generation. They're ready to jump in and take our spots with a little bit of time. But but no, we're big. We all went to school here. We're from that lake area. We love supporting the lake area. We grew up on the water. Our business is around the water, boating, everything. We travel across the country promoting our product, but there's only one lake at the Ozarks.
That's what I always say, there's no place like the lake. So, but we just appreciate so much you do for the shootout to make it just such a cool event.